Yes, you can overfill a spray can with air, and doing so creates a real risk of rupture, leakage, and dangerous projectiles. When recharging an aerosol, you must first read the safety data sheet for the product and note the maximum pressure rating and the propellant type, because many consumer cans are designed for a specific internal pressure, and any excess will stress seams and valves. Use a calibrated pressure gauge and a regulator set below the can rated pressure and attach with a secure, purpose-made adapter to avoid punctures or poor seals. Never improvise fittings from household materials. Fill slowly while keeping the can cool to the touch, and stop if you feel the can become warm, since heat increases internal pressure and can hide overfill. Avoid filling cans that have dents, rust, or previous damage, because weakened metal fails under only moderate overpressure. Work outdoors or in a well-ventilated area and wear eye protection and gloves, since a ruptured can eject shrapnel and liquid contents that can cause chemical burns or fires depending on the product. Finally, never use compressed gas sources that exceed the can rating, such as cycling shop air at high pressures, or using cylinders that contain reactive or flammable gases. 3 common mistakes are using a compressor without a regulator, where users assume brief bursts are safe, relying on feeling the can for pressure instead of a gauge where they miss small but dangerous overpressures, and refilling damaged or incompatible cans that later fail. The simple fix for unregulated compressors is always add a pressure regulator and a gauge and preset it lower than the can maximum. For the tactile method, replace it with a calibrated gauge that reads in pounds per square inch or kilopascals, so you have a clear stop point. And for compromised cans, discard and replace the can with a new container designed for refilling, or choose a refill system that supplies certified receptacles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who post services and respond to project requests, so we make it easier to find help for safe aerosol handling or professional refill services. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical advice, local vendor experiences, and safety tips so our users can learn from real-world cases.